So friends, today I will talk about the Dell P2723D 27-inch WQHD IPS panel LCD. So friend, Dell has announced the P2723D LCD. So friend, the P2423D 23.8-inch and P2723D 27-inch QHD screens get a display port into 1, HDMI into 1, USB 3.2 Gen.1 Type-A into 4 inputs are included, and friend, a 23.8-inch screen measures 537.8 mm in width, 179.57 mm in depth, 496.11 mm in height, and weighs around 5.45 kg. And friend, the width of the 27-inch model is 611.6 mm, the depth is 190.1 mm, and height is 535.2 mm, and it weighs about 6.76 kg. And friend, the 27-inch IPS screen with a refresh rate of 60 Hz is employed, and friend, a matte anti-glare screen surface, 1000 Gen.1 static contrast ratio, 178° by 178° viewing angle, 8-bit color compatibility are all noteworthy features, and a flicker-free WLED. Backlight has a typical maximum brightness of 350 cadmium per meter square and 99% sRGB color gamut. And friend, this is a ComfortView Plus model with a blue light peak shifted to less energetic wavelengths, which may improve viewing comfort. And friend, a ComfortView Low Blue Light option is also included to reduce all wavelength of the blue light, giving the image a warmer look and promoting a more comfortable viewing experience. And friend, the gray to gray reaction time is 5 milliseconds. And friend, the stand is held in place by quick release mechanism in the center and may be removed to allow 100 x 100 mm VESA compatible solution if required. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the monitor has a starting price of $550. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.